Okay, so next is the addition and subtraction of fraction to whole numbers. Okay, so madami din ang medyo nalilito dito, pero madali lang to para sa inyo kapag natutunan nyo na syempre. Okay, so for the first example, we have 9 plus 2/3. So ito ay napakadali lang. Kukanin lang natin si 9 as whole number and plus 2/3. Ayan, so the answer is 9 and 2/3. 9 and 2/3, yan na yung pinakasagot natin. Pinagsama lang natin talaga sila literal, as in. Okay? So, for the second example, we have 1/2 plus 5. Okay? So, diba sa pattern ng ating mixed number, inuuna palagi small number. Just copy 5. And then, just put 1/2. Then, we have 5.5. 1/2 plus 5 is 5.5. Diba? Literal na ipag-a-add nyo lamang sila. Okay? So, dito naman kay 6 minus 3 over 5. Ayan. Dito medyo meron tayong effort na gagawin. Of course, sana all may effort. So, we have 6 minus 3/5. And kailangan nating ibawas si 3/5 kay 6. Okay? Sa whole number ni 6. So, what are we going to do? Siyempre, hindi mo naman actually malalaman ka agad literal na pag i-minus mo kay 6 si 3/5 ay alam mo na kagad yung sagot, diba? So, what are we going to do is to assume that there is a denominator of 1 doon sa ating whole number. Okay? So, and then right after that, magkaiba na yung kanilang denominator. And then, dyan naman, kukunin naman natin ulit si LCD. Okay? So, we have 1 and 5 as the LCD. Of course, kapag ganyan yung situation, ang palaging LCD niya is yung highest number. Okay? So, we have 5 and 5. Kasi, diba, si 5 ay divisible naman siya kay 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5, diba? So, just copy the highest denominator, which is 5, sa kanilang dalawa. And then, 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 6 is 30, of course. Again, ang ginawa po natin is 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 6 is 30. Katulad lang din talaga ng kanina, no? Kaya dapat talaga is alam nyo na yung mga ginawa natin kanina bago tayo mag-proceed sa mga higher levels. Kaya nga inuuna natin si addition and subtraction before kay multiplication and division. Alright? So we have again 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 3 is 3. Alright? So we have 30 over 5 minus 3 over 5. And then right after that, of course, 30 minus 3 is 27. So we have 27 over 5. Ayan. So as you can see, meron na naman tayong improper fraction dito. Diba? Kapag sinabi natin improper, mas mataas si numerator kesa kay denominator. Tama? E diba, what are we going to do kapag meron tayong improper fraction? Kapag pinasimplify sa inyo, of course, inyong isisimplify. And then, on how are you going to simplify? Just divide 27 to 5. We have 27 divided by 5. Oh, ilang 5 meron kay 27? Diba 5? So, just put 5 there. And then, 5 times 5 is 25. Ayan. And then, 27 minus 25 is 2. And then, ilalagay nyo lang yan sa proper placing ng mixed number natin. Diba? So, ang ating sagot ay 5. Ayan na yung pinaka-whole number. And then, yung ating remainder na 2, yun na yung magiging numerator. And then, just copy the denominator. And then, the answer will be 5 and 2/5. So, ganun lamang kasimple on how are you going to add and subtract fraction to whole numbers and vice versa. Alright? Actually, in regards with addition naman of whole number to fraction, pwede nyo din tong gawin. Ayan. O yung mag-a-assume ng denominator naman. Pwede din yan. Pero, magtatagal lang kayo. Magka-come up din kayo sa ganitong sagot. Alright? Okay, next is we have the addition and subtraction of mixed fractions to mixed fractions. Okay, so madali lang din to. You're just going to follow what I have instructed. Alright? So, di ba palagi naman ang rule natin na kailangan munang magkatulad ang ating denominator, both given, para naman mas madali mo siyang ma-perform, alright? Diba kaya nga tayo gumagamit ng LCD, enable para maging magkatulad yung denominator natin. Pero kapag ang given ay same na sila ng denominator, okay na yun, di ba? Just perform the numerator, alright? So, we have 3 and 1 over 7 plus 2 and 3 over 7. So, what are we going to do is pagsasamahin lang natin yung mga magkakatulad. Like, dito, alin ba yung katulad ni 3? Di ba si 2? Kasi pareha silang whole number. And alin ba yung katulad ni 1 over 7? Si 3 over 7 kasi pareha silang fraction. Tama? So, we have plus as our operation. So, just add 3 plus 2 or pagsamahin lang yung magkakatulad. And then, plus 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Ayan, pinagsama-sama lang natin yung magkakatulad. And then, just perform the operation. So, we have 3 plus 2 is 5. Ayan, nasusundan ba? Of course, pwede nyo naman balikan yung video na. So, we have 5 and then 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So, as you can see, 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7, parehas na yung kanilang denominator, which is 7. And then, what are you going to do is to just copy 7 kasi parehas na sila, di ba? Hindi nyo na kailangan maghanap pa ng LCD, right? And then, just add 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's it. Yan na yung sagot natin. 5 and 4 over 7. Ganun lang kasimple. And how are you going to add mixed fraction? Okay, take a look at our next example. We have 5 and 1/4 plus 6 and 1/3. Alright? Addition again. And right after that, as you can see, parehas lang yung gagawin natin. Pero dito, may konting difference lang kasi magkaiba yung denominator. So, susundan nyo lang kung ano yung mga nauna kong itinuro, okay? Doon sa dissimilar fraction, alright? So, di ba, pagsasamahin lang ulit natin, 5 plus 6, whole number to whole number, and then fraction to fraction, plus 1/4 plus 1/3. Okay? And then, right after that, 5 plus 6 is 11. Ayan. And then, yun na lang yung concern natin, si 1/4 and 1/3. Diba? What are we going to do is to get the LCD. Right? Kasi magkaiba pa sila. Okay? So, we have, ayan. Without using listing method, how are you going to get the LCD? Are they divisible to each other? They are not. So, diba kapag ganun yung situation is you are just going to multiply them, enable for you to get the LCD. Yung kanina nating technique. So, we have 4 times 3 is 12. Ayan. So, yan na yung magiging LCD nyo. Alright? And then, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. Ayan. And then the answer will be 11 and 3 plus 4 is 7. And then just copy the denominator. And then the final answer is 11 and 7 over 12. Ganun lamang kasimple. Hindi na natin isi-simplify si fraction kasi wala naman tayong makukuhang GCF or greatest common factor sa kanya. And then for our third example, we have 9 and 2/3 minus 2 and 1/5. So ngayon naman ay minus or subtraction, okay? So of course, ima-minus mo lang si whole number. 9 minus 2 is 7, okay? So pinadali na lang din natin. And then 2/3, kopya lang to, minus 1/5. Okay? So, bakit hindi ko na sinama dito yung 9 minus 2? Kasi automatic na naman yun na 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay? Para tipid space. Okay. So, we have 7. And then, get the LCD. Ayan. Kuhain natin yung LCD. Ayan. As you can see, 3 and 5. Not divisible to each other. What are you going to do is to multiply them. 5 times 3 is 15. So, yun na yung magiging LCD nyo. Tama? Okay, and then 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 is 10. Tama? And then 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 1 is 3. Ayan, of course, huwag niyo kalimutan ilagay yung ating operation na subtraction, okay? And then just copy the whole number. 10 minus 3 is 7 over 15. Copy lang si denominator. And that's it. That is the final answer. 9 and 2/3 minus 2 and 1/5 is equal to 7 and 7/15. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, ayun na nga. I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And of course, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mo kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like tong video, and please i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong math tutorial videos. Okay? So, thank you so much everyone for watching. You can request any math topics and I'm very much willing to do a tutorial for that in the comment section below. Alright? So, always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Okay? God bless everyone and see you on my next video.